How to use Syllabus Generator of Magic School AI. In order to do that, just click on search right here and search in here for syllabus. So you should be able to see in here the Syllabus Generator. Head over and click on that. And then from in there, you can see this. So just choose in here the grade level you're teaching the syllabus into. And also put in here the subject that you're actually taking. For example, let's put in here biology. Put in here the course description, objectives, materials, policies, expectations, outline, and the likes. So it's quite overwhelming because there's a lot to be covered and inserted right here. So I asked ChatGPT for their help. What you can do is you can head over and then just put everything right here on your Magic School AI. So let me head over and then add them all on this Magic School AI right here. So I have added unnecessary things. From in there, click on this generate right here. And then once you have done that, you should be able to see the syllabus formatted onto your liking. You can see in here the course description, the course objectives, materials, grading policies, class policies, course schedule, lab schedule, as well as everything that you have right here. Now from in there, you can head over and then send them a follow-up request or follow-up message. And you can also do a lot more by clicking on these actions. You can translate question, lengthen, summarize, and customize it according to your liking. Now from in there, click on this copy and export if you're satisfied with it. And then from in there, you should be able to use it for your class this school year. So that's the whole process. Hope we helped.